Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action very straightforward. So if you say, hey, Clay, look, just summarize this for me very quickly, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, before you start throwing stones at me, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price has acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first map out where all this started. And in my mind, it all started when the price broke out above, this channel right there at 52 cents. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that, this area has been quite stubborn in terms of, knocking down the price. Multiple times the price has tried to get up above it and couldn't quite do it. So that is where I'm, classifying as the starting point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, considering it started here and it went up as high as there, I would say that's a really nice move. And then the second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, I would hope we can all agree that that would be considered a relatively short amount of time. Price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. This is where the thin ice comes into play, because you got to be fair to the bulls. So far, the price is, has a chance at progress. It's staying up above 52 cents. So let's say, for example, the price comes down here a few more times, bounces around here, and then heads back up. If that does indeed, be what happens, then what's that's going to give you? Well, that's going to give you a set of lows there. You're going to have a set of lows right there, that set of lows down there. You picture these as stair steps. Okay, fine. The stair steps are still in play, and the price is still making progress. However, if that does not happen, the price comes down here, breaks through that thin ice at 52 cents, and then is somewhere down around here. What is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of that channel, which is where it all started. And again, going back, that's exactly what a pump and dump would be. So is this a full-blown pump and dump right now? No, you can't call it quite that. You still got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt and give them some credit, because they still have a chance to build that higher stair step and maintain above that thin ice point. So that's really the key thing going into tomorrow. Can the bulls maintain up above thin ice? Again, thin ice being quantified as 52 cents. So we shall see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.